HealthMarkets Insurance Agency is the leading insurance marketplace in the country.
So HealthMarkets really has two sides of the business. We actually provide insurance, vision, dental, and then the other side of the business is a sales organization.
We have 3,000 agents across the country, licensed to sell in all 50 states.
If you think about the role of an agent, it's pretty complex, right? We have millions of people call in all the time, so they have to schedule appointments, they have to make phone calls, they have to follow up with them, they have to organize their day. We were utilizing a legacy CRM that we really implemented 10 years ago.
So we had a lead management system that was separate from our CRM system. CRM system was used for things like managing calendars, scheduling appointments.
Our agents had to go to a lot of different places to get things done. They had probably about 14, 15 different applications that they needed to access.
And so that's where you get the swivel chair effect, where the agent has to think about, well, what do I do in this technology versus other technology.
So we had the decision to make to either invest heavily in upgrading the current CRM or just start over and build something custom that really meets our needs.
Agent Connect was born so that we could create this centralized solution, and it became very obvious to us that the skills that Sendero brings to the table is exactly what we were missing. We were missing those individuals that were going to help us organize, that were going to help us execute, help guide us.
What started out as an engagement for business analytics and requirements gathering evolved into program management, project management, training, and deployment management.
Just more efficient, more effective, more productive, which helps the consumers, which helps the agents, which helps the company, because there's just nothing else like this in the industry.
To deliver within the fourth quarter, we had to get creative in our plan, and how do we do things in parallel?
This project was successful because we had a partner in Sendero.
They were not just the order takers, but they were a true business partner in this.
When we had a need, they had the right fit.
To have an investment in it, understands the problem, becomes a part of the team, and works together.
We saw improved lead acquisition at a lower cost, 20% improvement in agent productivity, and we were able to attract more agents to HealthMarkets.
It's a big deal, yes.
When we sat back and we talked about what did we do right, one of the things we definitely patted ourselves on the back about was we brought Sendero in.